everyone, today's video is all about self-care and I'm sharing my complete DIY body care routine that I do every week to keep my skin soft, smooth and healthy. Everything I'm using is simple, affordable and easy to find, and the best part is that you don't need to go to the salon to enjoy a relaxing body care day. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The very first thing I do before taking a shower is oil my entire body. Whenever I have time, I love giving myself a nice body massage before showering. Most of the time, I use virgin coconut oil because it's one of my favorite oils for body care. I massage it all over my body for around 10 to 15 minutes. It feels incredibly relaxing, nourishes my skin, and the massage itself helps improve blood circulation, leaving my skin looking healthier and feeling softer. Once I'm done, I don't jump straight into the shower. Instead, I leave the oil on my body for about an hour so my skin has enough time to absorb it properly. It's a simple way for me to unwind and enjoy some quiet time. I usually make myself a cup of tea, watch a movie or a series and simply relax. It feels like my own little spa session at home and I always look forward to it every week. Then, before heading to the shower, I like doing one extra step. Instead of dry brushing, I use a warm towel. I simply soak a small towel in warm water, squeeze out the excess water and gently wipe my entire body. This removes any excess oil sitting on the surface while still leaving my skin soft and comfortable. After doing this, I feel like my skin is ready for cleansing because most of the extra oil has already been removed and my body wash does not have to walk through a thick layer of oil. Now it's finally time for my shower. Whenever I shower, I always use exfoliating gloves. They are gentle on the skin but do a great job of lifting away dirt, sweat, sunscreen and dead skin cells that have built up throughout the week. Once my body is completely clean, it's time for my favorite step, DIY body scrub. Using a scrub after washing helps to remove dead skin cells, smooth rough areas, unclog pores and leaves the skin looking brighter and feeling incredibly soft. Here's how I make mine. First, I add around 5 tablespoons of gram flour. Then I add a little turmeric. Next comes coffee. You can use the entire small packet. Now for the sugar, I always grind my sugar until it's very fine like this. This step is really important because big sugar crystals can create tiny scratches on your skin. Finally, I add some curd to make a smooth paste and that's it. I apply this scrub all over my body and gently massage it in circular motion for a few minutes. And after scrubbing, I simply rinse everything off with normal tap water. My skin always feels incredibly smooth after this. Now that all the dead skin has been removed, it's time for a body pack. After exfoliating, your skin is ready to absorb the goodness of whatever you apply next. For this body pack, we only need one ingredient and that is rice. First, I wash the rice 4 to 5 times, then I place it in a pressure cooker with enough water and cook it for about 2 whistles. Once it's cooked, the rice becomes very soft, then I transfer it into a blender, add a little water and blend everything into a smooth smooth paste. Rice naturally contains compounds like ferulic acid and allantoin, which are known for making the skin look brighter, reducing dullness, and improving uneven skin tone over time. I simply apply this rice paste all over my body. I leave it on for around 15 to 20 minutes. While I'm waiting, I avoid using my phone or watching TV. Instead, I usually read a book because it feels much more relaxing, and honestly, it has become one of my favorite self-care habits. And after about 20 minutes, I rinse everything off using normal room temperature water. Now comes one of the most important steps. As soon as I dry my body with a towel, I immediately apply my body lotion while my skin is still slightly damp. This locks in moisture and keeps my skin soft, hydrated, and comfortable throughout the day. Right now, I'm using the CeraVe moisturizing lotion, but you can use whichever moisturizer that works best for your skin. The important part isn't the brand, it's applying it immediately after your shower. And the next thing I do is foot care. If you think about it, our feet carry our entire body every single day, so giving them a little extra care at least once a week is so important. First, I fill a tub with warm water, then I add a little body wash and some salt. And if you want to make it feel a little more luxurious and spa-like, you can also add some rose petals. Then I soak my feet in the water for a few minutes and just let the warmth relax them. After that, instead of using a foot scrubber, I use this cloth washing brush. I don't know why, but I personally love using this more than a regular foot scrubber because I feel it helps me scrub my feet properly. Next, I take half a lemon, add some sugar on top and use it to scrub my feet. The sugar helps to remove dead skin cell while the lemon helps brighten the skin and reduce any dullness or tan over time. Once I'm done scrubbing, I rinse my feet with normal water. Now comes my favorite part. I apply a generous layer of Vaseline all over my feet and then wrap them with plastic food wrap. If you don't have plastic wrap, you can simply use a clean plastic bag like this. I leave it on for around 7 to 8 minutes. After removing the wrap, my feet always feel incredibly soft and smooth. After foot care, it's time for hand care now. My hand care routine is very simple. First, I exfoliate my hands using a scrub. Right now, I'm using the Hilary Rhoda apricot scrub. I gently scrub my hands for a few minutes and then rinse everything off. Next, I apply a hand cream. I bought this one from Miniso and I've been really liking it so far. After applying hand cream, I like to go one step further and apply a little oil on top. This step is completely optional, but I personally love doing it. Applying oil after lotion helps to seal in moisture and prevents hydration from escaping, leaving the hands soft, smooth and nourished for much longer. Now let's talk about underarm care. For my underarms, I'm using one of my all-time skincare ingredient, which is Multani Mitti. Whenever my skin is acting up, Multani Mitti is usually the first thing I reach for because it works so well for me. Today I'm simply mixing some Multani Mitti with a little rose water to create a smooth paste. Multani Mitti absorbs excess oil and sweat and gently exfoliates the skin, leaving the underarm area feeling cleaner and brighter. I gently apply it to my underarm area and leave it on for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I wash it off with normal water. And finally, let's finish with lip care. A lot of people use honey and sugar scrubs for their lips, but one of my go-to DIY lip treatment is milk cream, also known as malai. After boiling milk and letting it cool slightly, you will notice a thick cream forming on top. That's the milk cream I'm talking about. It works as a natural moisturizer for the lips and works really well for dry or chapped lips. I simply apply a small amount onto my lips and leave it on for a while. You can even apply it before bed and leave it overnight, or you can just scrub your lips for a few minutes and wipe it off. And that's my complete DIY body care routine that I do at home. These are the little self-care rituals that help me relax, unwind, and keep my skin feeling soft and healthy without needing frequent salon visits. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which step you are excited to try. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.